Hello and welcome to day 5 of the 5 Days of Valentine's Digis. And today I have glue on my thumbs, but I have the pieces cut out. These are from Julie's kit. And then there's 3 tags from my kit. And then this fun, I just blanked, library card with a really pretty flower. So here we are with the folio. I added this little pocket from day 2 on here. And then I also have these journaling cards from day 2 that I thought would be super cute tucked in here, a couple of them. Okay, so those are, and then I have a couple more that I want to use. So then this is the back and this is the front. So maybe we add this pocket here on the front, and then these tags can maybe go like this in the front. That'd be kind of fun. So we have a tuck spot there. This has our, really that's the only space. All right, so maybe, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold this. And I think this will be big enough for our tags once it's all folded. I just fold this down, and that makes it nice and sturdy for things to come in and out, which is nice. And then we'll glue these. Glue it on the inside. I think I'm going to put it on the outside. And that way it won't get stuck. And then we can put this on here. Where do we want? I think I like the pocket. This is really pretty too. I think I'm going to add this in here. I think that'll be fun. And I'm going to back that also with copy dyed paper. And then another one of the fabric pull tabs. I keep calling them a pole, I don't know. And then we have these. Maybe we'll use those on the tag. Okay, so let's add some ink. And then maybe, where's my lace? Here it is. Maybe some lace on the bottom right here. That would be really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I think I'm going to go with this one. Kind of matches the flower. It's crazy to think that this is the 5th day. It went so fast. I've loved watching everyone's projects. So if you haven't checked them out, you can search hashtag 5DayVal, V-A-L, Digis, and, or D-I-G-I, not plural, and it will come up with all of the fun creations that everyone's been making. I love it. Gosh, I have glue. It's just everywhere. And then I have this piece that might add a little stability up on the top. And it already had some stickiness. It used to have tape. I'm just gonna add a little glue. That has a little sparkle to it too. I've really enjoyed making this folio. I think it's one of my favorite projects that I've made recently. I'm loving it. I think I might need to make another folio. I kind of feel like this is getting lost. What if I take this, and I think I'm going to put this behind it and then add. Hi. All right, I'm back. So I added that trim behind. I think that makes it kind of pop a little bit more. And then we're going to glue this onto the front. And I just wrapped it behind, so it looked a little more finished. Kind of stick this right here. Okay. Cute. And then we can put these tags. What did I do? I'm wondering if I glued it shut. Okay. And then these tags can go like that on the front. I'm sad that I cover up the bird, but that's okay. All right, so what do we want to do with these? I think that might be kind of fun, or I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna add that to that tag. And then we want lace or ribbon. How about some more of this? Add that. Oh, that's kind of big, isn't it? That's a little big. Maybe we just do this. Yeah, that'll be pretty. So I'm going to stitch that on. And let's do one with this, because I've been wanting to use it. I haven't really. So this will go on here. And then this one's pretty too. Okay, so let's add this on this tag. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna add my coffee dyed paper and stitch those on. So now I'm gonna scoot over to this and back to my tags. Not sure what I want to do with that. Okay, so I was thinking the cover, we could use the snippet roll from the first day. So I've cut this piece, and I might need to go back and do some additional stitching. We'll see. but I've cut this piece and I have paper clip to it, some Velcro. If I knew how to make buttons, that's what I would do. But it already has stuff on it and I don't really know if you can make a button when it already has things on it. So I was thinking I'll just do Velcro. I'm gonna do two pieces, two circles of it. One here and one here. I think I might need to add some glue and some glue. And then smush it on. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look through my pink buttons and see if I have a larger pink button. So I'll be right back. Okay, while that's gluing, I'm going to look in my button bucket. Ooh, that's a little bright for this. That was fun. That one. See, and I have that one right there, so I don't know if it's messing it up. There's this one. Not sure. Alright, it's between this one and this one. Probably the bigger one. Let's go big. And I also think I might add a little button. My thing of threes. I might add one right here. Just kind of. I think maybe. How about this guy? Or that one? How about that one? Because it's not as bright. Stick that right there. You can stay little button. And then we need some thread. For the big button. So this one looks like it was sewn on. Oops. Okay, and then we'll just tie this. And then we can add this to the project right there. So then, hopefully it's been, you can, oh, no, not long enough. Pull this off and it should stick. So we need a little longer and this needs a little longer. Okay, so we'll set that aside. Let that dry, and I am going to fix my tags and I'll be right back. Okay, here are my tags. I like how they turned out. We're just going to put those in this front pocket. Like that, and let those kind of hang out. And then this is almost dry, so let's put that back on. I think when the glue dries, I might run my sewing machine through the Velcro just to kind of help it stick. And there's our belly band. That's cute for the closure. And then you can slide it off or it will Velcro once it's all dry. And let's see, where do we want to put these? We could stick these with this pocket. All right, so there is our completed folio. I love it. And there's the back. I could put a pocket back there, but I think this looks cute, just like this. Super cute. This was so fun. It was fun to use the digitals. All right. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.